Good morning, YouTube. We are in Sedona today, and it's raining. Oh, it's so beautiful. The plants are so amazing here. Different kinds of plants you don't see anywhere else. And the red rocks look just as beautiful in the rain. So here we are at the Episcopal Church, and we are looking at a labyrinth. See how they draw this kind of like a maze on the parking lot. And then you just walk along. You walk along, and the purpose of it is to pray. See, you go around each curve. You go around and around and around, and you pray. Isn't that beautiful? I just did it, and it was really, really beautiful. It's time to talk to God and walk. The labyrinth. There's some really interesting trees here in Sedona. Check out this one. There's pine cones. See all of them over there up against the sky? But the needles are really different. It's not any pine tree that I recognize. Let me see what my plant app says. Yes, it is a different kind of tree. It's called a French tamarisk. French tamarix. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Here, I'll just pan around here and see how pretty this is here. Little ones here. I'm going to show you the other side. Got a big vegetable garden here. I'll go up closer. Ooh, look at this pretty. Maybe it's a yucca. Nice. And around here, see what all they've got in here. Ooh, I see some hollyhocks. Some peppers. I see corn in the back. Some kind of a cucurbit here in this box. Sunflowers is way back, in the way back. Man, what a lush, beautiful garden. Hear the bird? I'm going to ask my bird app what bird that is. It's a pygmy nuthatch. Pygmy nuthatch. There it is again. I love Sedona. It's just so beautiful. Look at these big ones.
These are all blooming lately. I've been seeing them.
Wow.
Oh, they go so hard.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look cool? The van, that beautiful rock formation behind. A pretty place to shop. Well, we're heading back to the ranch. Thank you so much for joining us today. We will see you again. Adios. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.